Hi investors, it's Dr. Marcia from Bookworm Investment Club, and I am the creator and the founder of Bookworm. And I created Bookworm because I wanted to teach women how to invest in the stock market and how to build a profitable stock portfolio. So I thought I'd come on for a few minutes and tell you about investing and tell you a little bit about me also. So here it goes. First, I have to tell you, this is going to be a disclaimer. Got to do that first. And I want to let you know that as I talk to you, that past performance in the stock market is not an indication of, or not a guarantee of what's going to happen in the future. So let's put that out there first. So it's December. And just like most investors do, I went back and looked at my portfolio and what things went well, what things didn't go so well, and then take that information and say, okay, what is it I want to do in the future, starting next year? But I went a little bit deeper in that I looked at one particular portfolio that I have and that I've really been concentrating on, and took it back to when I first started the portfolio to say, okay, why was this portfolio so profitable? What was it that I did that made this work? And so I got 5 things that I want to talk to you about, and 5 things that will help you also to build a profitable stock portfolio. So here goes, this is what I did. When I first started this particular portfolio, it was in January of 2017. And I had a goal. And I said that in 7 years, when I start this portfolio, 7 years from now, I want this portfolio to be worth $50,000. That was the first thing. I had a goal. The second thing I'd said to myself, okay, so if I've got this goal, I need to be able to fund this account on a monthly basis so that when I decided to buy a company, the money would be there. So I had to figure out how much money I had to put into this account on a monthly basis to have that money to invest. The third thing I had to do, and this is what was kind of difficult for me in the beginning, is to convince myself that, okay, with this portfolio, I am going to beat the average return of the S&P 500. Now, that was something that up here, I had to be able to not only declare it, make it come out of my mouth, but I had to actually say in my brain, you can do this. You can beat the average return. Once I got past that, and once I had set that in my mind, I was able to do that. So it's number 3. It's a matter of believing that I can, with my investing style, still beat the average return of the S&P 500. And with the portfolio, the last couple of things I had to do was I had to be able to manage my portfolio, know when to buy and know when to sell a company. And the last thing I had to do was to be able to, if I'm going to buy a company, I'm going to analyze that company to see whether or not, okay, is this a company that's going to make me money? I do that, and I did that before I bought every company. Now, even though I'm giving you these points, it didn't always work out. I didn't always sell when I should have sold. I didn't always buy or make sure that the companies, or buy the company when it fit the entire criteria of the stock analysis. So it's not a perfect journey. And I want to make sure that you know that it wasn't perfect, but I still, even with its imperfections, I was still able to build a profitable stock portfolio. And you can too. Um, this is something that we do as a group in our investment club. And our investment club, we meet every second Thursday of the month from 7 to 9. The first hour, we talk about our portfolios and we go over some stocks in our portfolios. And the second hour, we talk about stock analysis. And so it's one of the things that I feel I missed when I was building my stock portfolio, because I did it on my own. And now with a group of women and we're actually having this common goal, it makes it fun. And it's good to be able to talk amongst each other and bounce ideas off of each other. And so one of the things I'm doing here is I'm inviting you to join us in our Bookworm Investment Club. And we do have a next meeting coming up Thursday, which is December the 10th, 7 to 9. It is a membership, so there's a membership fee of $97 a month. And yeah, come on and join us. Build your profitable portfolio among a community of women that have the same common ground. I'm there. I am your coach, your teacher, your mentor, to push you to dream and dream big, and then to help you along the way of building your portfolio. So the link is down below. Come and join us Thursday, and then stick with us the rest of the year, because it's going to be a good year next year too. And yeah, that's it. I will talk to you later. Have a great day. Bye.